Hello. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome, everyone. Good evening. Don't fall asleep. Okay, some of you guys are watching me while you're trying to sleep. My goodness, I never thought that I can put anybody to sleep, to be honest. A lot of people are telling me that I'm actually, that the tone of my voice is very loud. And right as I said that, okay, there was this noise right before I started this reading, and right as I said that, the noise stopped. So this is just a confirmation. There was some noise happening in my bathroom. Okay, so you may hear strange noises in your bathroom, and you might be wondering what is happening, what these noises are all about. Go and check your pipes, okay? Because I think your pipes are making noises, okay? I feel like they have been clogged. Okay, I feel like they have been clogged and they need to start flowing again. Okay, this can be literal or this can be metaphorically saying. Okay, there's always a reason why I say certain things in a reading. I feel like your pipes have been clogged. Okay, and these pipes need to be cleaned, and water needs to start flowing through them. Okay, there's some sort of a situation, something has happened that has made the pipes clogged. Okay, and the situation needs to move. Okay, you have some cleaning up to do, my friend. Okay, and I feel like you know what I'm talking about. Let's get into your reading. Everybody, in the last few days or so, I have been seeing a lot of birds, a lot of flock of birds. I heard geese flying. I saw flock of birds sitting, all of a sudden departing. There's a stir up that's about to take place, my friends, okay? And you might tell me, Anya, well, you know what? It's pretty common to see flying birds, to see departing birds, to see whatever the situation is during the fall season. Well, it is common, but it's not common if you happen to hear and to see flock, and I'm talking about flock of birds, okay, group of birds, flock of birds flying in the sky, or it's like sitting in one spot and all of a sudden when you approach they fly away, that type of an energy. And I have been seeing and hearing this phenomenon constantly in the last few days, okay? And I feel like these birds, quote unquote, are foretelling something, okay? And I'm hearing from Spirit right now the word gloom. They are foretell of some sort of a gloom, of some sort of a tower that's about to take place. You might be feeling very unstable in your energy currently, okay? You might be dealing with a very unstable situation right now. Or it's like, I feel like your energy may be very unstable, okay? One day you're crying, the next day you're laughing, It's like a fluctuation of energy. One day the energy is positive, the next day it's, it's totally way off. And I'm not talking here about hormones, okay? Something extraordinary is about to happen, okay? And I feel like these birds foretell a story. These birds foretell a message. There's a message that wants to be delivered from Spirit to you, okay? Normally when you see, a flock of flying birds in the sky, the shape that they create is actually called a key. Okay. I feel like you're being gifted, you're being given a key. For some of you guys, this key may come from a long distance. Okay. There's a key that will allow you to open a door. You may, for some of you, you may initially feel like it's a door of gloom. You may feel like it's somewhere that you don't want to enter or be in. You may feel a lot of chaotic energy. You may feel like your world is falling apart, like your friends are leaving you, the people that you know are leaving you, okay? But this change, this movement, I'm hearing from Spirit, is needed. Because you no longer fit to be where you are, okay? This can be literally in life or a portion or in a portion of your life, okay? This does not necessarily have to be extreme, okay? Because for some of you, it's only a portion of your life, or you don't belong anymore, okay? You may hear rumors, you may need or feel the need to talk to someone. There's a need, I'm hearing from Spirit, for you to open this door, okay? Because you're being given this key. It's like this energy, I'm picking up this energy of flowing to you, okay? There's a flow of energy. I'm seeing these birds literally flying towards you, okay? This change, this movement is literally flying towards you. And it's something that is unavoidable. It's like a tower, okay? Which initially may feel like gloom, you know? Because that's the word that I keep hearing from Spirit, the word gloom. You may feel like it's the end of the world, you know? Usually major changes feel like the end of the world, okay? But that's not how it is, okay? Otherwise, you would not see them, okay? But you're meant to see, you're meant to witness this change. You are meant to see these birds. You are meant to pay attention to them. You are meant to experience them, you know. Wow. You may feel like your head is spinning. Well, let me tell you, there's an energy of movement. There's an energy of change. Might as well embrace it. That's what I'm hearing from Spirit, okay? So my friends, let's see. Let's experience this energy further. Let's see what messages Spirit wants to deliver to us. Let's see what we can expect. There's something for someone very significant that's about to happen within the next 72 hours, okay? There's something about number 3. There's not something about 72 hours, okay? And it's big. It's a tower. I'm hearing from Spirit, okay? Wow. All right. So let's explore this energy, everybody. And right as I said that, my friends, I saw 10:10 on the clock. Okay, so there's an ending. There's a major ending that's about to happen, okay? For someone within the next 72 hours, something is ending, something is departing your life, okay? So, let's get into your reading, my friends, okay? You are being given a big key. Okay, I'm just staring at the key that Spirit has been guiding me to select for your reading, okay? I'm seeing this as a key to a door of a castle, of some old ancient building. And I'm hearing from Spirit a key that opens a safe, okay? For some of you, this door, this key, should I say, is going to open a door to more money. It's going to literally open a door to money, okay? For others of you, it's a key that's going to open the energy of love, okay? Why do I say that? I'm seeing, look at the shape. It looks like a heart, right? Now, this key is going to open a door to your heart, okay? You might be dealing with somebody at a distance. I'm just looking at the shape of this key. Look here, looks like a plane, okay? This also looks like a flag to me, the red and white. I forgot which country this flag is, but it's like it has like a shape of a cross in the middle. So you might come from Europe. I'm hearing Sweden for some reason. Someone is ready to open their mouth, okay? For some of you guys will be receiving free keys, okay? For some of you guys, there has been a very painful ending, or a very painful ending is approaching, and you will be given a new key to restart your life, okay? Wow, interesting. There's some sort of an energy I'm picking up of something to look at. Admiration, something to look at. Some of you guys, I feel like it's like you're going to be admiring something. You're going to be putting something on a pedestal. You're going to be literally placing something on your cabinet that you find very valuable, I'm hearing. Okay. For others of you guys, I'm hearing you will find something very valuable and you're going to be putting that thing on a cabinet to admire. Okay. Interesting. I don't know why that keeps coming through. But it's something that's worth to be valued. It's something that's worth to be treasured. It's something worthy to be put on your cabinet and for other people to see. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what the birds foretell. Let's see what you're about to open with this key. Okay. For some of you, I'm just looking at the wick of your candle. Look at this. Let me tell you, for some of you guys, it's like whatever's about to happen, whatever it is that you're about to open, whatever the birds are foretelling, it's going to make your hair stand up. Okay, this is literally what I'm seeing. Look at this wick. And number 3 is of significance. Look, it's a 1 to actually 4. Okay. But initially I said 3. Okay, so number 3 is significant. And we're seeing the 3 nails here. Okay, so there's something about number 3. But I realized that there's a 4th one. So for some of you guys, it's like you're going to realize that there's more to a certain situation. There's more to a certain story. There's more to what you originally have thought. That's what I'm hearing from Spirit, okay? Wow, look at this. Seeing this also as a fork. Some of you guys, it's like once you receive this key, you will be at a crossroads. You will see a fork in the road. And you will need to make a decision. Do I want to open this door? Do I want to enter through this door? Okay. What option do I choose? Which option is the right choice for me? Okay. Whatever it is, my friend, I feel like it's something to be cherished. Again, it's something to be admired. Okay. It's something of value. Okay. Wow. Let's begin your reading. There's a situation that's taking shape for you. There's a situation that has been brewing up for quite some time. There will be a lot of emotions involved. You might be feeling, like I said, very unstable. Some of you, it's like you will be hearing a noise, okay, right before this key is given to you. You will be hearing some sort of a weird noise. There's also communication coming in from someone who wants to tell you, here's my key. Okay, some of you guys will be moving together with someone. It's like you're going to be sharing a locum, a home with someone. Okay? Because again, I'm drawn to the Force, and Force talk about stability. Okay? You'll be sharing a home with someone. Someone is going to be offering you their key to their place. Okay? Sorry, I'm just looking at the wax inside this candle, the melted wax. All around the wick, there's a black residue. Okay. Something, I'm hearing from Spirit, something needs to stay in its place. Okay. Something that you have been crying about. Okay. It needs to stay where it is. Okay. For some of you, I'm hearing it's like you have been burning up a situation. You have been crying about it. For some of you, there has been a lot of emotions associated with this energy. For some of you guys, I'm hearing it's like you have not been able to contain yourself. Because it's like you have been staring at it. I don't know why I'm saying all this. All right, let's see. Let's see what is happening, my friends. What the key wants to reveal. Whoa! Oh, there's definitely a tower happening. Something is about to be burned to the ground. Or it's like Spirit is asking you to burn something to the ground. I'm seeing, it's like, yeah, you're rising up from the ashes. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing literally a phoenix. If you guys want to zoom it up, zoom it in, there's literally a phoenix. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. You're rising up from the ashes. And look, we're seeing the key. I have to put the key down, okay? I have to show you guys. See this image right here? Something about letter L, about letter C, okay? But look at this image. This is literally like a flock of birds heading in the right direction, okay? Literally. You're heading in the right direction. You're being given this key. Because you're heading in towards the right. Somebody's, look, we have an image of a person, okay? There's something about to see. Wait to see what is heading towards you. That's what I'm hearing from Spirit, because I'm literally not seeing number 2. I'm seeing the C. And all of a sudden, I started talking very fast. So this is, again, a confirmation of movement. Somebody is ready to take action. Somebody is ready, I'm hearing from Spirit, to make it happen. Somebody wants you to see them for who they are, okay? Somebody wants you to see something. There's something about to see. You will be witnessing something. For some of you guys, it's like you're going to be witnessing this tower. You're going to be witnessing somebody falling from grace, I'm hearing. You're going to be witnessing their gloom. There's something about, I keep hearing the word gloom, okay? For some of you guys, it's like you're going to be seeing something or someone being tangled up in a situation, okay? And it's like I'm hearing it's your dharma. You are meant to see it. You're meant to witness this, okay? This tanglement that this person is about to go through, okay? There's something about letter S. And again, I'm seeing number 3. There's something S3. 3 S's. Something about 3 S's. Something is about to be made very loud and very clear to you, okay? Spirit told me to take the key. Start channel from the key, okay. Truth will be revealed to you, my friend, okay? Something that has been weighing on your shoulders, on your heart very heavily, is about to be revealed, okay? Some sort of a truth pertaining to some sort of a heaviness that you have been feeling, okay? Some of you guys are about to come out of a cold. You have been dealing with some very cold emotions, and you're about to come out of it, okay? I'm hearing from Spirit, you need to hold the key right. There's something about right, making things right, about holding the key right. For some of you guys, this key may be very heavy. And you might feel like, you know what, I don't know if I can hold on to it. You know, I don't know if I'll be able to you know, to carry it through. Because for some of you guys, you may feel like initially like it's a burden. Like it's very heavy, it's too much to carry. You might like dogs, you might own a dog. And I'm seeing a poodle, to be specific. Okay? In your wax. Again, I cannot show it to you because I'm holding the key. For some of you guys, it's like you, up until now, you have not been able to see it because you have been holding too many things, you know? There's a situation that you're going to be working on. There's some sort of a persistence that I'm picking up on, okay? It's like, I want you to see something. I want you to work on it. I want you to pay attention to it. There's a persistence, okay? Somebody's going to be very persistent, my friend, okay? It's like, this is it. I don't want to move. I want you to see what I'm seeing. There's a situation that the person wants to work on. There's a situation, something has happened, and this person wants to work on it. Okay. I'm hearing from Spirit, there's something about balance, about making things right, about making things correct. Okay. If you want to make things right, I'm hearing from Spirit, if you want to make things correct, work on it. Okay. Be persistent, whatever it happens to be for you, whether at work, at home, be persistent. Okay. Wow. Let's see. For some of you guys, it's like you're very heavily thinking about something. Something about letter Z, something about number 2, hearing from Spirit. Some of you guys really have a headache. Like it's like you're really heavily thinking about something, okay? And I'm hearing from Spirit, the pressure needs to be released, okay? It's been very heavy. It's been very heavy. And it's like, I feel like you need to detach from it. Like your head has been so heavy that it's, you know, for some of you, it's like you don't feel like your head is part of your whole body. I don't know why I'm even saying all this, okay? But somebody needs to hear it. There's also something about the change of your voice. I'm hearing from Spirit, don't pretend to be someone that you're not, okay? Whatever it is, you will not be able to miss it. I'm hearing from Spirit. Because someone here is wondering, like, how will I see it? You know, how will I see this change, this movement? It's you will not be able to miss it, okay? Something about letter Y. I'm hearing somebody say, well, why you're mine? You know? Why you're mine? Why am I hearing this? Why you're mine? I'm hearing somebody saying, why you're mine? To the third party, why you're mine? But there's some energy about consistent effort. Okay. Wow. Okay. What else, Spirit? Well, something is going to get your attention. What is this about, Spirit? Something is going to start flocking. It's like coming to you. Very fast. What is this all about, Spirit? You know, it has something to do with your legs. With movement, with stability. Okay. Give me some more, Spirit. What is this? Again, I'm hearing the word persistent. Something that you have been persistent about. Okay. And something that you have released as well. Okay. Something about letter C. Oh, Spirit. There's There's something about blue flowers. You might have seen your blue flowers. You have blue flowers. There's something about blue flowers. For some of you guys, when you see blue flowers, that's going to be your sign. Okay, that's it. See two people. One head, another head. Well, this person has become wiser. This person I'm hearing from Spirit has become smarter and wiser. And now I feel they're ready to come forward. That's what I'm hearing from Spirit. You might have long hair. You may wear your head in a bun. Okay. This is exactly what I'm seeing here in the wax. There's something about this person holding your leg. Again, I'm giving you the leg. There's something about leg. It's like this. I'm picking up this energy. It's like this person wants to hold on to your leg, wants to hold on to you. This person doesn't want to move. Doesn't want you to move on. There's some sort of a tied up energy. This person wants to stay tied up to you. They don't want to let you go, I'm hearing. Interesting. I keep staring. Friends, I keep staring at this image here. And to be honest, I have been staring at it for quite some time. And I cannot figure out what this is. It's like a portal? What is this all about, Spirit? I'm curious. Because I have been staring at it and for whatever reason, nothing is coming through. Spirit, what is this head all about? Because I'm seeing this as a head. A portal, a head. What is this all about, Spirit? What is this all about? What is this all about? Okay, death. Okay. Death and a brand new beginning. I might be dealing with Scorpio. The energy of death. Temperance. There's something that you have been waiting for. Something that is alchemizing for you. And here's the tower. So this energy I was picking up for you. I know this is exactly, for some of you guys, this is a tower. Okay. An abrupt ending. Okay. That has been brewing up. Leading to some sort of a truth. We have the Ace of Swords here. For some of you, this is representation of some sort of a truth that is heading your way. This key is going to allow you to see the truth. Okay? It's like I feel the energy. It's like you have been waiting for something, for some sort of a truth, and you're about to receive this key to the truth that you have been seeking. Okay. For others of you guys, it's like you're putting an ending to the past. It's like you're cutting it off. Okay, you're slicing it off. But there's an abrupt ending heading your way, my friend, okay? A situation is finally ripe. It's finally alchemizing. It's that honestly, I've been picking up this balancing of scales energy, okay? Things are alchemizing. Things are ripe for this tower to happen. There's an ending. You might be dealing, there's a strong scorpionic energy here, okay? Strong transformation, strong change. That's going to lead to the truth. There's some sort of a truth that you will find out, okay? For some of you guys, it's like a person wants to tell you something. They might be a Scorpio. They might be a Sagittarius. But there's a change in season happening, okay? Because it's like we're changing normally from, you know, when it comes to zodiac signs, right? We normally change from Scorpio season to Sagittarian season, okay? And right, as I said I saw 36. That's 9. That's ending. That's end. But again, there's a progression. So it's like this energy from the unknown, from the completion, you know, from major abruption to the Sagittarian energy. For some of you guys, this tower, this change is about to happen right in between Scorpio and Sagittarius season, which we're talking about the end of November, okay? And right now when I'm recording this reading, we're end of September, okay? Wow, 3 of Swords. Yeah, that's the energy of gloom. There's something is coming to an end, okay? You have the 3 of Swords energy. That's energy of a heartbreak, of pain, of separation, of being, you know, of having your heart broken. For some of you guys are about to receive clarity pertaining to, quote unquote, your broken heart, okay? I feel like you don't understand why this person broke your heart. Why you have been feeling heartbroken. You don't understand that. You don't know it, okay? There's the tower coming. You know, that's going to bring you clarity as to why your heart has been broken. And this is that energy. That's why I couldn't pinpoint exactly when I was looking at the wax exactly what it was. I could not get any clear answer. Okay. And up until now, I feel like you have not gotten clear answer pertaining to why your heart has been broken. But you're about to find out. There's a tower. There's a major tower coming. There's an ending to the confusion, okay? Because clarity is heading your way with the Ace of Swords, okay? That is what is happening here. Let's see what else. If there's anything else that we need to clarify here. Well, somebody has been very nosy, or somebody is about to be very nosy, or in your business, okay? So I'm seeing like eyes and a big nose. Well, somebody nosy is heading your way. I see you sitting here. Somebody, there's some sort of a gossip for some of you. And I feel like this gossip is going to be created. It's going to start from someone who's very nosy, okay? It's like this person wants to find out stuff about you. This person wants to know why you have been calm, why you haven't been moving, okay? What is making you the way you are? This person is very nosy. This person is going to be asking you a lot of questions. And that's how this gossip will start. Because again, you're bigger than this person. There's some sort of a news that's going to create a lot of gossip. That's what I'm also picking up on. Well, somebody's in their head. Somebody wants to talk to you. Okay, I'm seeing a bird here. A bird's head. See, and a beak right here. Somebody is in their head. Somebody's in their emotions. But they're heading towards you. Okay. You may have people telling you something about this person. Or it's like you have people, around trying to find out from you who this person is. What do they want? Okay. But there's some sort of unhealthy energy around you. So be careful who you listen to. That's what I'm hearing, okay? But you have somebody that's really in their head. This person may have a headache. This person is really deep in their emotions. I'm seeing a lot of deep energy, okay? And this person is rushing towards you. So you have you right here sitting in a comfortable position. You're poised. You're ready. Okay. This person may have a long nose. There's something about their nose. They might be into music. I'm seeing music note here. But see, like this energy is literally right in front of your face. This energy may also be like your negative thoughts. Don't listen to your negative thoughts. For some of you guys, this is a third person who will try to interfere in this connection, okay? Wow. Or this conversation, even for some of you. Interesting. Yeah, but you have somebody rushing in. You have a bird coming your way, heading your way. You may have seen a bird with a big head. Oh my gosh, for some of you, you know what I'm seeing right now? There's a guide. There's a guide. This person is being guided to you. Okay? There's big communication heading your way. Okay? I feel like I'm looking at this and I'm seeing this as a guide. And this guide is literally having a hold, or it's like guiding this bird towards you. Okay, now I'm interested. What does this bird want to tell you? Okay. You might be a Gemini dealing with Gemini. Some of you, this is a love-related situation. For others of you guys, you will need to make a decision once this news arrives, okay? What does this bird want to tell our viewer, please? Spirit, what does this bird want to tell our viewer? Why is this bird approaching? This bird is really in their head. This bird is very emotional. What does this bird want to say? Okay. Why they have been quiet? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. This is someone whom you've been out of contact with, okay? Because we're seeing the Four of Swords. Nothing has been happening. To all of a sudden, we see the Knight of Swords rushing in. Okay, so, okay. We understand. We understand who it is. You might be dealing with Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, okay? So far. It's a strong energy. Let's see. This is somebody who has left you out in the cold, okay? Who has gone quiet on you. Okay, but what do they want to talk about? What does this bird want to say, Spirit, please? Okay. That they could not sleep, that they're really in their head, and this is the exact energy that we're seeing with this bird. Okay. They cannot sleep. Okay. That all they could think about is you. Okay. You're really in their head. They cannot sleep because you have been all that they have been thinking about. This person finds you incredibly, incredibly attractive. Okay. What else does this person want to say to you? Oh, we see the Four of Wands here. Okay. And this is exactly, see, we have the little spikes here. This is exactly the energy that we saw right before lighting up your candle. This person wants to talk about a home, about stability. Okay, what else does this person want to talk about? This person is going to be giving you a lot of attention. Oh, guess what? They want a brand new beginning with you. We see the Fool card here. And remember I mentioned the dog? We see the dogs here. Okay? This person wants a brand new beginning with you. They want to share home with you. Wow. What else does this person want to tell you? You might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have the King of Pentacles here. Well, this is someone who wants to reveal something to you. See, look at this. Listen, this King of Pentacles, they're ready to take off their glasses. They're ready to take off their mask. They're ready to talk. We see the book open here. This person wants to talk about things that have been hidden previously. Things that have been hidden from you. There's something that this person wants to reveal to you. I feel it has to do with a brand new beginning. Okay. I feel like it has to do with stability. I feel like this person wants to literally shower you, I'm hearing from Spirit, with attention. Okay. This person may own their own business. I feel like they're very stable with the King of Pentacles being here. They might be very wealthy. But I feel like you're going to be coming out of the cult into stability. And I feel like this is what this tower is all about. You're being given, my friend, you are being given a key. Okay. Where you're going to be stepping out of the cult with the Five of Pentacles being here to stability with the King of Pentacles being here. It's like you're going to jump timelines. This key is going to allow you, okay, to literally step out of the cult inside into a mansion, into a castle. Okay, because I mean, look at this key. This is literally like a key, feels like a key to a castle. Filled with stability, filled with money. Okay. There's a truth that you're about to find out with the book being here. Okay. What else does this bird want to talk about? Is there anything else, Spirit, that this bird wants to talk about? World. For some of you guys, this person is going to tell you, you are my world. For others of you guys, this bird is an indication of travel, traveling the world. Okay. There's something about you growing up as well. Okay. For some of you guys, this key is actually going to allow you to grow up. Okay. Because there's an element in your life that has literally been feeling like a mountain, like an obstacle. And this is actually, this key is going to allow for you to grow. Okay. Please take it out, resonates. You might be dealing with someone that's at a distance, with the world being here. You guys may come from two different worlds, you know. It's also what I'm hearing. What else does this bird want to say? Remember, I was picking up the energy of the heaviness, and we're seeing the 10 of Wands here. This is exactly energy. I feel like this person has been burdened. This person wants to talk about burdens, okay, that have been weighing very heavily on their shoulders, okay. There's also something about Cinderella. You may have felt like a Cinderella, you know, again, having no money, living left out in the cold, okay. You have been overworked, overburdened. This person wants to offer you a new world, I'm hearing, okay. Why? Well, because this person can do so, because they have money, okay. Literally, this person can do so. This person is going to change your life, okay. This key, my friend, is going to change your life, okay. Doesn't matter whether it's a person that's heading your way, or that you literally stepping out of the cold and into money, okay. What else is heading towards our collective? What else is this bird bringing with them? What does it want to talk about? Wow. There's a message, my love, that's heading your way. Communication. Okay. What is this communication about? Seeing this as Phoenix rising from the ashes, and this is exactly that image that we saw in the candle wax. This message, this communication is bringing upon transformation. It's going to change, transform your life. Your life will never be the same. Okay. What else? What is this message bringing? Spirit, come on, come on, come on. An offer. For some of you, it's an offer that has a lot of potential. Okay. If it's a person, then I feel like you're going to receive an invitation from them. That's a very stable energy. It's an energy of hope. Okay. What else, Spirit? This offer is going to allow you to release a certain aspect of yourself, a certain part of yourself, something that has been very burdening to you, okay? Release and let it go. Some of you guys, this message is going to allow you to release a part of yourself, okay? Because again, there's an offer coming in, okay? Wow. We see the Six of Swords. The bottom line, my friends, okay? Whatever this bird is bringing towards you, okay? Whatever this flock is bringing towards you, it's going to allow you, okay, to move on from a situation that you're currently in, okay? Of the Six of Swords here. It's going to allow you to depart, to move, to leave the turbulent waters that you may be in, or turbulent situation. Please take it how it resonates. Some of you guys, it's going to allow you to literally move residences. For others of you guys, it's going to allow you to move, to travel. But you're not going to be at the place where you currently are, okay? Because ultimately, movement, see this Six of Swords. We see a person sitting in the boat. It's going to allow you. And we see the birds here, okay? These birds, this flock of birds are going to allow you to move. They're going to serve as your guiding light, as your guide, okay? For some of you guys, I'm picking up the energy. It's like you have spirits with you. Okay, I'm hearing you have spirits, you have angels that are guiding you to move away from a particular situation. Because again, you are not meant to be where you are. Whether we're talking about an aspect of your life or your whole life. Okay? Because again, the turbulent waters haven't been that great. And you're not meant to be there anyways, you know. You have to move. The situation needs to move. Okay? Wow. All right, my friends. This is what I have for you. So get ready. Okay? For this flock of birds. Okay? For this bird. And it's a major bird. Okay? Get ready for the ski. Get ready for things to happen. Okay? All right, everybody. So thank you so much for being here with me today. I'm wishing you guys, as always, peace, love, and abundance. All the best. Health and wealth. And I'm going to talk to you guys very soon. Thank you so much for being here with me. Take care and bye.